Quick review of a project I did quite some time ago. These are the days when you couldn't really get these small motors to buy, and if you wanted to do anything useful, what you had to do is take the motor of a pager or cell phone, really most of a pager back then. And yes, as you could probably tell, this is not the easiest thing to take out. There's a little shaft, and basically you need to pull this off. Press fit on. So yeah, if you try to pull that, you're going to bend that shaft. So what I came up with is essentially what you would call a similar principle to puller, a piece of mild steel. And let me see if I could take this out. Let me separate it out. So basically how I designed this is I made a body out of normal mild steel, like mild would call this. You drill this out up to a point. You drill from this side a much smaller hole. That hole match the size of this pin. This is made from a concrete nail. Took a lot of doing to get that down to the correct size, but that matches the shaft on this. And then this is milled out here, and what you have is a lip. This motor is not conducive. It's a little too tight, but basically what you do is you put the motor in here like that. Alright, it hooks, so this rotating mass, eccentric mass, is hooked on this side, the body's on that side, the shaft lines up level with this. You turn it flat on this way and the shaft lines up with this. So this goes in here like this, and then there's half a nut. If you notice, it's cut a little bit over half so it doesn't fall off. So this nut fits in here, and this bolt goes in and goes through the nut. Right, I'm gonna have to tighten that up. Once this bolt is screwed down, it pushes this out, and basically you have the mechanical leverage of this, so it's fairly easy to squeeze this out. It's a straight force. Once it's properly lined up, this comes out, the head remains here hooked, and there's no distortion of the shaft, so it works. As I said, back in the day, now these motors are really easy to come by and being really cheap. Doesn't make very much sense to have one of these now, but it's the same principle that's used to pull pulleys from a shaft. Essentially you grab the pulley, you have something that holds, something that's pushing the motor out, and the pulley stays hooked in a grip.